get your rounds in the can.
Yes, Command.
Nav, set a heading for that compound.
Right.
Fire officer, keep a hand on that hot switch. We're just getting started here.
Solid copy.
Pilot, you have the con. Once on station, circle the target. Bring us around.
Sir!
Com, get me General Shepard.
Raj, stand by. Shepard's up, sir.
Gold Eagle Actual, this is Shadow 1. How copy?
Loud and clear, Shadow 1. Send traffic.
I had to bail your boys out. Luckily, they have friends in high places.
That's what you're there for. Tell me something good.
We got a hit on Hassan. Approaching the target location now. We'll get this bastard rolled up for a little talking to.
That's what I like to hear. Report back when Hassan's in the bag.
Roger that. Out here. All Shadows, listen up. These guys on the ground, Mexican Special Forces, 141, they are your brothers now. Treat them like your own. And let's get this done, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Ghost, this is Shadow 1, orbiting the compound now. Standing by for visual.
Shadow 1, Bravo 07. We'll mark our position with IR laser, over.
Roger that, 07.
How do we find Hassan?
He'll have an armed guard, cartel protection.
A lot of places to hide.
Graves covers with close air. We clear the buildings. Copy the ILT. Mark us.
Shadow 1, we're east of the compound. Position is marked.
Off the trigger. Copy. TV friendlies are marked with IR laser. Confirm visual.
Shadow 1, Bravo 07. We're marking with IR laser. Do you have a visual, over?
Copy visual.
07, copy your mark.
Shadow 1, be advised. Hassan is moving with an armed guard. You cover external, we'll clear the buildings. How copy?
07, good copy. Armed guard. We'll secure the area so you can move in. Stand by.
Roger that.
TV, scan for targets with an armed guard. Let's find us some bitch.
Shadow 1, there's a truck leaving the stables moving west.
Copy. TV, track that vehicle.
Copy. Tracking. The truck is now moving southwest along the dirt road. Got unknowns ahead of them. Looks like more farmers. Stand by.
Do you see a weapon on them?
Negative. No weapons, no guards.
Copy. Keep scanning.
The truck just stopped on the road.
Shadow 1, we've got targets at the greenhouse to our northwest. Roping now.
Those are farmers. Focus on the greenhouse.
TV, zoom in on that group. I want positive ID on Hassan. 07, no visual on the target. What's the call?
That army convoy's getting ground. We go in, guns blazing, hope he squats. Lock him up from there. Graves, you're cleared hot to engage external. We'll clear the buildings when secure.
07, copy that. Keep your heads down. All Shadows, you are clear to engage armed personnel only. Do not fire on the buildings.
Copy. Armed personnel only.
Use the 25 mic to limit collateral. Let's make some music.
All Shadows, target civilians are in the area.
You're cleared hot to engage external. We'll clear the buildings when secure.
07, copy that. Keep your heads down. All Shadows, you are clear to engage armed personnel only. Do
not fire on the buildings. Rounds away.
Direct. Fire for effect. Good attack. Do we have any more personnel in the area?
Negative. No movement.
07, all visible targets are down. Over.
Shadow 1, copy that. We'll be clearing the stables building first. Roping now.
TV friendlies are marking the stables building. Confirm visual. Tally target.
07, copy your mark. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, we're moving now. If the target squirts, let us know.
Shadow 1 copies.
Soap, freeze down the right side. Aye. Breaching.
Goodbye.
Watch for squirters.
Got a woman and kid down there. Check fire. Unknown's exiting the stables right now.
Scan for Hassan.
Got a visual. Negative.
Got armed personnel right there.
Raj, keep fire
Right
clear of
now.
civilians.
Graves, negative on Hassan. It's a dry hole.
Multiple vehicles approaching from the south. Enemy personnel are moving on the stables.
Go, copy that. I need you out of the building.
Got a woman and kid down there. Check fire. Unknown's exiting the stables right now.
Scan for Hassan.
Got armed personnel right there.
Negative.
Raj, keep fire clear of civilians.
X-ray down. Graves, negative on Hassan. It's a dry hole.
Multiple vehicles approaching from the south. Enemy personnel are moving on the stables.
Ghost, copy that. I need you out of the building. Move north right now.
Copy. Moving. Graves, we're clear. Drop that fucking building now.
07, copy. Danger close. TV, you're cleared hot. 40 Mike. Drop that fucking building. TV, engage that building now.
Channel 1, good shot. We're pushing west of the greenhouse.
More personnel in the greenhouse.
All stations, there's armed personnel in the greenhouse.
Contact! Check fire. Hassan could be inside.
TV, can you get a visual inside the building?
Affirmative. Stand by. TV, back out of IR and scan the greenhouse for Hassan. No visual on the target. Appears to be armed personnel only.
Ghost, keep your men back. We're fixing to engage the greenhouse.
Solid copy.
TV, you are cleared hot to level the greenhouse.
Shadow 1, good effect on target. We're moving up.
Roger, 07.
These guys are fucked. Dust them. Where is this fucker? He has to be in that compound. Shadow 1, what's the ETA on that convoy?
07, convoy is 6 clicks out. Advise you step it up and secure exfil.
I'll contact Rodolfo. Do it. Graves, we're working on exfil now. Be advised, last building we'll hit is the compound. How copy?
Movement in the compound, crew.
07, good copy. Hold your position until we clear the area.
Roger that. Shadow 1, troops in contact! RPG!
Level that building.
Enemy personnel moving in fast.
Shadow 1, X-rays at the water tower. Graves, take out that water tower or we're done!
Hit the water tower.
We got a man down.
TV, I want a wall of fire around our boys. Start raining hell.
Hit him again!
Sending rounds.
Watch for movement.
Yeah, we're clear.
Ghost, no movement detected. What's your status?
You'll be alright. Round at the plate. Affirm. Good thing your aim isn't shite like theirs.
Roger that, 07. Be advised, you're clear up to the compound, but the gate is blocked at this time.
Copy. Give us a way in, yeah?
We'll open the door for you. Stand by. TV, drop a missile or a 40 Mike on that gate. Hit the gate with a missile or a 40 Mike. Boom.
Good effect on target.
Ghost, doors open. You're clear to proceed.
Copy that. Moving now.
Enemy personnel in the courtyard.
Keep our boys covered.
Do not engage the buildings.
Do not target the buildings. Ghost, no movement detected.
Copy. We're pushing to the entrance now.
Roger, we see you. Be advised the convoy is 3 clicks out. You need to haul ass.
Solid copy. Alejandro, where's that exfil? 5 minutes out. It's going to be close. Let's do this then. Reaching. Shadow 1, positive ID on Hassan. He's moving upstairs. Graves, he's exiting the 2nd floor, northwest side.
Direct. There you go.
More enemy personnel in the courtyard.
Clear them out.
He ran inside.
Target's moved internal. Southwest building, 2nd floor.
Our boys can handle it. Keep them covered.
Get down!
Going hot 2-5.
Who the fuck?
Direct.
Mexican Special Forces, you're coming with us. Shadow 1 Bravo 07, jackpot. I say again, jackpot. Target is secure.
07, solid copy. What's the status of your exfil?
This is Victor 1-1. Exfil is 2 minutes out.
Roger. All stations, be advised. Convoy is closing on the target area now.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good eye. Alejandro, what's the call? With the cartel. Free to engage. Shadow, how copy?
Solid. All shadows. Mex Army is considered hostile at this time. TV, you are cleared hot to engage the convoy.
No movement in the area.
All stations, visible targets are down. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, copy that. Exfil is inbound now.
Come on!
No way! Shut the fuck up! Se satisfago un estómago. ¡Nuestro tiempo, carnal! Nunca te dejaré atrás. La extracción es por Almeda. Quizás habrá resistencia. Tenemos aire, lo podemos lograr. Good, go!
Shadow 1, package secure. We're RCB.
Hook, line, and fucking sinker. That's what I'm talking about, Shadows! You know I love that shit! Comms, give me the gem.
Jack.
Graves, actual, make my day.
We got him. Escorting back to base as we speak.
Make it quick. We can't hold him for long.
Roger that.
Approaching a town to the north, crew. Off the trigger. Be advised, friendlies have stopped on the road.
All stations, what's the holdup down there?
Shadow 1, there's movement at the fuel station ahead. Possible cartel, roping now.
Copy. We'll recon the area. Be ready to move. TV, get a visual on that gas station, pronto.
Friendlies are roping the gas station. Confirm visual. Copy visual.
Nav, set an overlay ID on the gas station.
Copy. OID set. Multiple unknowns in the area.
Scan for weapons, see if any cartel's looking for trouble.
No visual on weapons. Multiple unknowns south of the gas station.
Let's get this show on the road. All stations, no visible threats in the area. You are clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, copy that. We're moving. Rodolfo, adelante.
All shadows, ground team is mobile. Keep them covered.
There's an individual crossing the road.
What the fuck's he doing?
Shadow 1, we may have a situation here.
Quítate de mi camino! Rodéalo!
Vehicle south. Friendly vehicle is hit. They're down on the intersection.
Bail out! Check fire!
Armed personnel at the intersection.
Fucking ambush. TV, get on the trigger. Keep our men secure.
Friendlies appear to be moving at this time.
Cover! Cover!
All stations, we're engaging danger close. Give me a sit rep when able.
Shadow 1, we're up. No casualties. The site is secure.
07, copy that. Colonel Vargas, what's the word?
Shadow 1, we'll hardpoint in a building behind us. Over.
Copy that.
Friendlies are moving into the restaurant.
Nav, set a marker on that building.
Clear.
Check fire.
Getting the fuck out of Dodge. Good on 'em.
Visual on friendlies, roof of the restaurant.
Rodolfo, pide los helicópteros.
Copiado. ¿Me copian? Habla Víctor 3-1. Solicito extracción inmediata. Mi posición actual es el techo del edificio de restaurantes en Olmeda.
Yankees, moving on the hill. RPG! Get down!
Shadow 1, we're taking RPG fire from the east. Roping now.
Copy. Engaging.
Visual on RPGs.
I'm down at the church.
Copy. Church. TV, engage those cartel, but do not fire on the church. Civilians may be internal.
RPGs, watch out!
H31 está en camino. 5 minutos.
All stations and extract birds are inbound. 5 minutes. RPG!
Copian. Habla Víctor 3-1. Solicito extracción inmediata. Mi posición actual es el techo del edificio de restaurantes en Olmeda.
Shadow 1, we're taking RPG fire from the east. Roping now.
Copy. Engaging.
Visual on RPGs.
Good attack.
Down at the church.
Copy. Church. TV, engage those cartel, but do not fire on the church. Civilians may be internal.
H31 está en camino. 5 minutos.
RPG, watch out! All stations and extract birds are inbound. 5 minutes.
Aye, for effect.
Got that RPG guy. Man.
Direct.
Vehicles incoming from the northeast near the graveyard.
We're taking fire from the church and a school.
Seeing small arms fire from the gas station. Loading rounds. Cartel moving near the gas station.
Good attacks.
Taking effective fire.
Multiple cartel at the gas station.
Check your bloody fire.
Bravo 07, Shadow 1. All visible threats are down.
Be advised, breach supplies are low. Conserve your ammo. Sergeant, sit rep.
Good impact.
The sun is secure. Still a brick.
And you are as mindless as your weapons of war.
Bravo 7-1, you are cleared hot to shut Hassan the hell up.
All shadows, we've got incoming vehicles at the soccer field, southwest.
Incoming! Southwest! The football field!
Copy.
TV, engage those mortar positions.
Mortar crew is down.
There you go.
Enemy personnel to the southwest.
Clear to engage all of them.
Visual on entry. personnel are moving northeast at this time.
Direct.
Alejandro, where's extraction? We're burning through rounds here. 1 minute out!
We got military vehicles moving through the soccer field right now. Rotor wing aircraft incoming from the southwest.
Copy. They're sending everything they got.
Countermeasures out.
3 lives left. Me queda poca munición. I'm running low. Get your knives ready. Moriremos luchando. We've got an incoming missile.
Armored vehicles moving north on the road. Missiles locked onto us. Enemy full We got military vehicles moving through the soccer field right now. Rotor wing aircraft incoming from the southwest.
Copy. They're sending everything they got.
Countermeasures out.
3 lives left. Me queda poca munición. I'm running low. Get your knives ready. Moriremos luchando.
Armored vehicles moving north on the road. Loading. Missiles locked onto us. Enemy full building. We have military vehicles moving through the soccer field right now. Rotor wing aircraft incoming from the southwest.
Copy. They're sending everything they got. Well, hell, we'll
Countermeasures out.
3 lives left. Me queda poca munición. I'm running low. Get your knives ready. Moriremos luchando. We've got an incoming missile.
Countermeasures. An armored vehicle is moving north on the road.
Good impact.
Enemy full building. Visual and anti-air team west of the school building.
Taking effective fire. What's the dead overrun?
Getting locked on. We got military vehicles moving through the soccer field right now. Rotor wing aircraft incoming from the southwest.
Copy. They're sending everything they got. Well, hell, we'll clean out the rest of the
Countermeasures out.
3 lives left. Me queda poca munición. I'm running low. Get your knives ready.
Anti-air team destroyed.
Moriremos luchando.
Guys moving to the gas station right now.
We've got an incoming missile.
That armored vehicle is moving north on the road. Visual and anti-air team west of the school building. Countermeasures out. Getting locked on. Air team destroyed.
Moriremos luchando.
Guys moving to the gas station right now.
We've got an incoming missile.
That armored vehicle is moving north on the road. TV, we got an AA team to the school to the west. school building.
Go straight overrun!
We're being painted. There you go. Enemies by the school building.
Fire for effect.
Our roommates stop firing on us! Can't hold them off!
All stations, this is Hatchet 3-1. We are approaching from the southwest. 30 seconds out.
Hatchet 3-1, this is Shadow 1, copy that. Blue forces are on the roof of the restaurant building. HLZ will be hot. We'll remain on station to provide cover fire. How copy?
Good copy. We're inbound now. 3-1 out.
Extract in 30 seconds! Solid copy!
Visual on an AA team, north of the bridge.
Shake them out! Here! Last mag!
Missile lock! Missile lock!
Orders deployed. Anti-air team destroyed.
Graves, our exit's blocked by enemy armor. Requesting immediate air support.
TV, engage all those vehicles. When are these fuckers gonna realize Hassan's coming with us?
Check north! We got armor crossing the bridge!
Four armored vehicles crossing the bridge, north side.
Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1, you're on station.
Copy that. HLZ is west side of the building. Currently direct bound to your location.
3-1 copies all.
Got their anti-air.
Bravo 07, extract is on station. Exit west of the building. They are standing by.
Moving now! Stop, moving! We're leaving! Let's go! Fucking moving! Piano! Bendito sea! Copy that!
Bravo 07, HLZ secure. You're clear to proceed.
Copy. Moving now. Everyone in! This should send a message to the cartel, yeah? It will, hermano. They lost something more than just soldiers today. What's that? Their reputation. We're in trouble advancing Las Almas. 3-1, we're set.
Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1. All personnel and cargo secure. We are RTB at this time.
You fucking haul, 3-1. Copy that. All shadows, Oscar.
On your knees.
Y'all got a clear picture?
Crystal.
All set.
All right. You're alive, folks.
You speak Arabic?
No.
Farsi?
No.
Of course not. Then I'll speak your bastardized medieval English. Because you're all uneducated street dogs.
See, we're getting off to a bad start here, Hassan.
You're talking to Al-Quds Force officer.
You're the commander of a foreign terror organization.
I can say the same to you.
What's your target? Major.
What was your target when you sent missiles to my land?
Oh, wild guess to nail your ass.
So insolent and foul-mouthed. You will learn to respect me when your nation sees fire.
You are in bed with the cartel, Hassan. If you disappeared, no one would know where to look for the fucking stain.
I have no doubt you'll take pleasure in torturing me.
Where'd you get American missiles from?
I don't care who they're from. I want to know where they're going.
Take a look around, Hassan. Now you can either become part of the food chain, or you can start talking.
I'm a hostage here. This is illegal.
You're a prisoner of war.
Iran is not at war with Mexico. I've broken no laws. These men and their commanders are the lawbreakers.
You and your beloved General Gorbani
Do not speak his name! You executed him and you will pay for your crimes. Allah wahdu li qadir ala musa'adak.
I want this bastard in permanent custody or looking up at the goddamn grass.
General, killing Hassan is an act of war. Keeping him is illegal. Right now, he is too hot to hold.
Tell me you're getting something actionable, lad.
Well,
Working on it. Stand by.
Actual, let me finish this.
There's nothing I would like more. But Laswell's right.
Without proof, we need to turn him loose, see where he leads us.
It's right here. You can't be serious.
I'm afraid I am, son.
Did we get anything from his phone?
Affirmative. We got a hit.
Good. Now,
Take him back and let him